Okay, guys. As always, I'm gonna make another video, but this time it's a animal company video, cause I have a couple stuff in this, but I haven't ever recorded a video on this. So let's just see that new update, cause I haven't explored it. I think it's over here. I don't know if it's gonna be scary. I don't think it's scary. I don't see nothing. Oh, look, there's these guys in here now. Okay. So yeah, the forest looks different. So that was the update, but is there any other stuff? Nah, I'm down here. Look. Chicken. Oh, okay, that disappeared, bro. Okay. Haunted. Oh! What was that? I'm out. I'm out. What was that noise? What was that? This game is so scary, bro. I mean, of course it is. It's supposed to be scary, but... No! You're scary. I know. What was that noise? Why is it so dark? Well, why did it get so dark? Yo, I don't like it. I want to stay up. I'm actually, I'm scared. I don't know why it got all dark. Why, I don't know why it would. What? There's something scary? Guys. What is that? What is that? Bro, I don't like that thing. Get away from me. Get away from me. No! How do you track me, bro? He has long range. Can't get me up here, can you? Yeah, he can't get me, bro. Woo! Where'd it go? What just attacked me? I'm going back. We need to kill this thing. I guess we're gonna need to kill this thing. Woo! Yeah, he's gonna kill me. Well, I couldn't, okay. That thing is scary, bro. Oh, that thing oh, look at my little arms. I forgot about that. Why is it so dark in here? Yo. Oh, never mind. And it's gonna be pretty dark, but we'll try. If we really need it, I'm actually cooked. Cause I want the hook shot. I like this hook shot, bro. I'm so bad at getting goop, so I've never gone goop. Look, okay, it's not that dark no more. I thought it was dark. It felt darker. My flashlight. Oh, it's the ogre. Let me try to kill the ogre. Oh! Oh. Bro. You better. Bro, yo, what's up? Oh, I don't like you. What's up? What's up, mister? Oh, okay, I'm sorry. Oh, bro has aimbot. Guys, he just has aimbot. Chill. It's just aimbot. Like, it's just aimbot. Like, definitely. Like, okay. And a hook shot. Wait, wrong hand. Because this controller's a little bit broken, so doesn't go as good as things that use the trigger. Even though I'm right-handed. Wait, no. Yeah, I use my right hand, but this is my stronger hand. I don't know. Okay. For you, Mister. Whoa! Nah, you missed me. Watch this. Okay, what was that? Wait, can I break this? I think I can. Ugh! Never tried. Oh, hi. Why is it so dark? I don't like it. Oh, it's that. Should I try to kill it, bro? I haven't took any damage yet. I don't know where it is. I need to find it first. Here is it. I don't like it. Let me out of here. I can barely see. There it is, bro. I'm gonna break your tree. Bong. Yeah, he really didn't like that. Nah, I'm actually out. Let's get out. You can't come here, can you? Can you come here? You can't come here. Whew. Bro, I can't. Bro. It's pretty dark, bro. Why did it get all dark in here? Now it's light. Oh my gosh, I cannot. Okay. So I think that's the video. Yeah, it was kind of a little bit lame. I didn't get to defeat it, but I found the barrier. Hi, barrier. What's your name? Yeah, so that's basically it. And bye.